Introduction: string manipulation is a common task in programming. JavaScript provides different methods for string manipulation, one of which is the toLowerCase method. Understanding the toLowerCase method is used to convert all alphabetic characters in a string to lowercase. This method does not affect non-alphabetical characters. JavaScript is case-sensitive, therefore JavaScript and JavaScript are treated as distinct entities. Usage of the toLowerCase method does not take any parameters and can be directly called on a string. It returns a new string where all the uppercase characters have been converted to lowercase. Pitfalls and tips. The toLowerCase method does not modify the original string, as strings in JavaScript are immutable. When comparing strings, the comparison is case-sensitive. To perform a case-insensitive comparison, convert both strings to lowercase using the toLowerCase method. Calling the toLowerCase method on null or undefined will result in a type error. It's a good practice to check whether a variable is not null or undefined before calling this method. Conclusion: understanding and using JavaScript's toLowerCase method can greatly enhance string manipulation. This method does not modify the original string, and calling it on null or undefined will throw an error.